children, we have already learned capital and small letters. Let's revise once again.
Keep your pencil on a top red line. Bring it down till second blue line. Capital A, capital A. After A, next letter is capital B, capital B. Capital C, capital C. Capital D, capital D. Capital E, capital E. Capital F, capital F. Capital G, capital G. Capital H, capital H. Capital I, capital I. Capital J, capital J. Capital K, capital K. Capital L, capital L. Capital M, capital M. Capital N, capital N. Capital O, capital O. Capital P, capital P. Capital Q, capital Q. Capital R, capital R. Capital S, capital S. Capital T, capital T. Capital U, capital U. Capital V, capital V. Capital W, capital W. Capital X, capital X. Capital Y, capital Y. Capital Z, capital Z. Now children, the same way you have to write in your English notebook. Thank you.
Small a. Yes. Small b. Small b. Small a. Small b. Small c. C is given. After small c, which letter comes, children? Yes, small d. Small d. Small a, small b, small c, small d. After small d, which letter comes, children? Yes, small e. Small e. Small a, small b, small c, small d, small e. After small e, which letter comes, children? Yes, F is given. After small f, which letter comes? Yes, small g. Small g. Small f, small g. Which letter comes after small g? Yes, H. Small h. small h, small f, small g, small h, small I. I is given. After small I, which letter comes? Yes, J. Small j, small j. Small f, small g, small h, small I, small j. After j, which letter comes? Yes, k, small k. After small k, which letter comes? Yes, L, small l. Small k, small l, small m. Small m is given. After small m, which letter comes? Yes, small n. Small n. Small k, small l, small m, small n, small o. Small o is given. After small o, which letter comes? Yes, small p. Small p is given. After small p, which letter comes? Small q. Small q. Small p, small q. After small q, which letter comes? Yes, small r. Small r. Small p, small q, small r, small r. After small r, which letter comes? Yes, small s. Small s. Small p, small q, small r, small s, small t. Small t is given. After small t, small u. Small u is given. Small u. After small u, which letter comes? Yes, children. Small v. Small v. Small u, small v. After small v, which letter comes, children? Yes, small w. Small w. Small u, small v, small w, small x. Children, after small x, which letter comes? Yes, small y. Small y. Z is given. Let's revise small letter A to Z. Small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g, small h, small I, small j, small k, small l, small m, small n, small o, small p, small q, small r, small s, small t, small u, small v, small w, small x.
Parents, guide your child to learn capital and small letters at home. Thank you. Bye-bye.